everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really exciting because it is my first unboxing video. Crazy. But today we've got something really exciting because I'm about to unbox a mermaid tail. What? Now you know I've got some tutorials on how to make your own silicone mermaid tail. Actually, I've got two tutorials on two different techniques, but silicone mermaid tails are quite difficult to use and they're just a hassle to dry, especially that winter is coming. So fabric tails are the way to go. So I've got a fabric tail from Magictail here behind me, and it's really exciting because, well, you're gonna see why, because it's a little bit special, let's just say. So let me get my scissors and let's get into it. And of course, you want to be really careful with the scissors because, you know, there is a tail inside. So I'm really excited to show you what tail I got. Wow. So, as you can probably already tell by the colours, I got the H2O inspired tail from Magictail, and it is one of their super tails. I think they're called like that because they're made for their super Monofin, which I'm really excited to try as well. So yeah, let's open it. Okie dokie, so this is how the tail looks like. Exciting, and I love the scales and how detailed they are. Wow. So this is the front, I'm guessing. And and this is the back with the kind of darker colours and the dorsal fin, I would assume. So yeah, looks really cool. And this is the fluke. And I love how it's got the little tips like that. Yeah, because the monofin ends here, but you still got that extra fabric that I presume is gonna add some motion in the water maybe. And the monofin feels quite soft. Like there's like a cushion in between the plastic and the fabric. So that's interesting. So yeah, that's my tail. Let me just quickly take the monofin out because I'm really interested to see what it looks like, and I'm so scared. I don't want to stretch it too much. And something I'm really excited about with this monofin as well is trying it out with my fin fun tail. Maybe, hopefully, possibly, I don't know. Can I take it out? I'm scared. I don't want to ruin this. Okay, let's stretch it. Okay. Yeah, so just like I thought, it's got this little fabric layer on top of the monofin, which I'm assuming that's because of the plastic, you know, so you don't want to ruin your tail. Kind of how Fin Fun's got the protective tips. Maybe that's kind of the equivalent of it. So let me just take it off. Ooh, wow. Okay, I'm gonna put you on the fabric. Right, so that's the monofin. So it's got two foot pockets that are kind of rubbery. And I'm guessing this is like a protective sheet for the monofin, so it doesn't scratch or poke a hole in your tail, even though it's not got any like sharp edges or anything, but maybe just in case. And yeah, it's interesting because this fabric is very soft and I feel like it might absorb water quite easily, but oh well, we shall see. Wow. Okay, interesting. So as you can see, the Monofin is clear. Kind of on the picture when I picked it up, I thought it was going to be white, but I'm guessing that was the white cover, which is still cool. You can still, I guess, practice with it. I kind of actually like the fact that it's clear, because in my head, automatically I'm like, oh, I should decorate it, which is probably a bad idea, but should I do it? I feel like I should. Anyway, moving on. So the insert is clear. Well, the Monofin is made out of thick plexiglass or some sort of plastic, and there is no sharp edges. It's filed pretty smoothly, and yeah, it's got this plastic part on the back, and I got a size large. I know they've got smaller Monofins for kids as well, that look a bit different, I think, on the pictures, and they've got little Velcro things and stuff. But this one's got like a rubbery cover like this, and you just put your feet in there, I guess. And there's just one open space. There's no separation between the foot pockets. But yeah, and you've got some holes over here as well, I'm guessing for the drainage, and on your heels as well. So yeah, I'm excited. So that's the large Monofin, and the tail I got in a size medium. Yeah, I'm interested to see how this one works. I kind of want to try it out now. I've got the fin on, and it's got an interesting shape. I kind of like it. It's thinner than I would usually go for. And what I mean by thinner is the design is kind of like thin this way, not this way, if you know what I mean. Ooh, this is a workout. But yeah, I'm excited to try it out, and I'm excited to see if my fin fun tail goes with this fin. Okay, we're already doing the Monofin, so why not do the whole tail as well? So let's just put it on. So I've got my fin on. Yeah, let's put the tail on first. That's the proper way, isn't it? So yeah, that is it wearing my tail. I had to get a little bit of help with the tips to put the tips over the Monofin, but it's a new tail, so exciting. I feel like one of the h2O mermaids now, or Mako mermaids, whichever one you prefer. And I even did my makeup in gold to match my tail. So yeah, I'm sweating. I'm wearing a jumper. Whew. So when choosing your tail for the Super Monofin, you also had an option to match a bikini to it. So you've got bikini bottoms and a top with the same scale pattern as your tail. I didn't want to do it, I'm just gonna have to look for something creative, maybe something in gold, and yeah, but so far I'm really pleased. This video is not sponsored, however Magictail was kind enough to send me this tail free of charge to review, and yeah, thank you so much Magictail. I love my tail so far. Now let's see what else we've got in the little package. Alright, so we've got a little welcome note. I probably should have read this before trying my tail on and stuff, but yeah, I got too excited. So we've got a little note in German and in English. So it says, congratulations for purchasing your Magictail. With this costume, you are finally able to swim like a real mer being. Oh, and this little orange bit here is the care rules. So 4 important Magictail care rules. Never stand with your Magictail. So you don't scrape the bottom, I guess. Always well dressed and undressing. Make sure you are on a soft mat. Well, I kind of failed on that one already, but yeah, that would make sense. Always use the white fleece protector. Oh yeah, so the fleece protector I was showing you before on the Monofin. Never cause friction scraping on rough ground with your tail skin. Yeah, we wouldn't want to do that, would we? Then on the other side, you've got the same thing in German. And then I love this little thing. You've got little business cards in this Ziploc baggie. We just have 2 business cards of Magictail.net. Magictail, the original since 2010, made in Germany. And it's got all the information on the back as well, but of course I'm going to link it down below for you to check out. Now, Magictail is a company based in Germany, so that's awesome if you live in the UK or anywhere in the European Union or Europe in general, because no import taxes, yay! So that's amazing, and they're the only European-based company as well, which is pretty sad, but at least, hey, we've got one, so that's awesome. And they do some really cool designs, and these tails are the kind of regular costumes, as they like to call them, and they come with a super Monofin, which is their own Monofin, as you can see by me unboxing it. And they make tails for the mahina Monofin as well, and you even get the chance to design your own tail skin with Merman Atlas. Definitely thinking about getting a custom-made tail skin someday, but for now, I'm really happy with my h2O Mermaid tail. I can be like Cleo and Ricky and Emma and, you know, all the girls. And yeah, I just wanted to have something classic in my collection. Ooh, and the shipping was super quick. So I live in the UK and Scotland, and the shipping, when I paid, it came in 3 days, which is crazy. So yeah, I'm really excited to go and try it out in the water, and of course I will be making a review of this tail and the Monofin very soon. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.